Hello guys, back with another video. So we're with my friend Dom and we're doing Pringles sizzling, what was it?
Sweet chili flavour, sizzling Pringles. There you go.
Yeah.
Get it?
Let me just zoom in a little bit. Sizzling medium sweet chili.
That's the one.
There we are, so want to crack them open?
Yeah, this it's a bit small. Yeah. Smell nice. Let's give it a go. There's one there. Alright.
Nice.
Very nice. They're not too hot. There you go, mate. You have some as well. Yeah, they're not too spicy. You know it says medium.
They're probably really hot for me.
You find them quite hot? Yeah, very subtle. No, I like that.
Feeling a bit of spice.
I'm not
It
getting
doesn't take a lot for me though.
Yeah. No, they've yeah. No, very nice. Very
Yeah, I think I've
nourish.
had more than one or two. And yeah,
No, I could eat those. These are very nice.
yeah, I'm feeling a bit of heat on the back of my tongue.
You have to have a drink.
Useless with spice.
No,
So yeah, but that's been.
I quite like them. They're very nice.
So what would you rate them out of 10 then?
I'll probably give them. I'd say probably about 7, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice. I prefer with Pringles. I like the prawn cocktail and the sour cream flavour. They're quite nice.
Prawn cocktail are nice.
Yeah. But these are very good. I don't know if they're a new flavour, but I haven't seen them before. And yeah.
Yeah, I'd
I'd
probably give them about 4 or 5.
I'm getting the aftertaste of the spice now, but it's not too bad. It's not where your mouth's on fire because it's a sweet chili. It's just, yeah.
So a shout out to another channel, Crisp Life. If you want to give them a go. He does many reviews on crisps. So
There you go.
so there you go and try them.
What about yourself? What are you going to give them?
I say probably about 4 or 5.
Oh, okay.
About 5.
That's fair enough.
You know, I'm sort of on the medium.
Yeah,
I'm on the border.
No, I like them. They're good.
So we have it. That's been Pringles sizzling medium sweet chili, and we'll see you in another video.